Have you been struggling with growing your smaller funds or smaller accounts? Maybe you've tried, you've not been succeeding. Okay, so this video I'm about to share with you guys, or you are watching right now, is what is going to help you to grow your small account. No matter how small it is, maybe $50 or $100 might be your account, and you have been looking forward to grow that account. You have been trying, making attempts so many times, and it's not working. Guys, this video I'm sharing with you guys is going to help you grow that account. So I'm going to be sharing with you some principles, some basic principles you need to follow. And if you follow that principle, trust me guys, you are going to see how your account is going to skyrocket. Okay, you are going to come back, you are sure going to come back to thank me for sharing these principles. So make sure you follow. If you're a trader, please, you're a trader struggling with small account, watch this video to the end. Don't go anywhere. I follow this principle and it helped me in growing my fund. It helped me. So I've been trading thousands and millions of dollars just because of these very principles. Okay, I started as a small trader. I started with a smaller account, but I've been able to trade big and different funds because of why I follow this particular principle, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So if you follow this too, you are going to see how everything is going to change for you. Okay, so watch this video to the end guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to this my channel. Please, your subscribing to the channel will help to build this particular community. All right, and also make sure you like and share this video please, and also drop your comments in the comment section. If you have any complications, you can drop. I'm going to attend to you, and turn on notification bell so that you get updated whenever I post a new video. Okay guys, so let's get started. All right traders, so once again you are welcome back to this very channel. All right guys, so like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys those things, principles you need to follow if you want to grow your account. Okay, so I'm currently at a whiteboard now, so I'm going to be showing you guys those principles like I likely said before. So now, number one thing, I'm going to be sharing management. Okay, so the risk management is very important as a trader. Okay, now risk management, don't risk a large percent of your capital. Okay, so as you are trying to grow your small account, you must understand that risk management must follow. You must apply risk management. Don't risk beyond what you can, what you cannot afford to lose. All right. A lot of traders risk more than their capital because they want to make fast profits and huge amounts of money. So they risk more, which is not good. So you need to stick to a good risk management. Even if you want to risk, at least risk 1 or 2% of your account. Okay, don't risk more than that, because anything more than that, you'll be endangering that account and you might end up losing your money. All right, so the number two is the use of stop loss. Okay, number two is the use of stop loss. Stop loss. Okay, so as a trader, you need to understand the importance of using stop loss. Okay, now many traders don't actually know how to use their stop loss the right way. Okay, they don't know how to use the stop loss the right way, so they over leverage their account. So you must understand that for you to protect your account, you must what? Use your stop loss order. Set a stop loss order. So when you set that stop loss order, it helps to protect your fund so that you will not what? Lose that your fund. So because remember, we are trying to grow that account and not to lose it. So using a stop loss order will actually help you preserve that your account. Okay, very important. It will help preserve that your account so you don't lose your fund. Even when the market go against you, you won't lose more than what you set as your stop loss. Okay, very important. Now number 3 is don't trade high volatile assets. This one is very important because a lot of traders fall victims of trading high volatile assets. You must remember that you are working to grow your account and you must be mindful of what you trade. So many traders will just go up and open the chart and pick all different assets and begin to trade. If you do that, you are going to endanger that account and you won't grow. I was trying to grow my fund. I was very selective with assets I trade. Okay, you will see a trader with small account is trying to trade gold. What do you expect? You are going to lose your fund because any little pullback or some kind of retracement on gold can actually bring that account to zero. So you must be mindful as a trader. You must be selective of assets to trade. Don't trade volatile assets. Avoid them. Okay, don't trade volatile assets. Avoid them. Maybe till when your account has gotten to the level at which you want it to be, then you cannot begin to trade those assets. But if you are having a smaller fund, maybe like a $50 or $100, please avoid trading volatile assets. Okay, avoid trading them. Don't. Sorry, number 4, guys, is stick to your trading plan. Okay, stick to your trading plan. So number 3. Okay, so vital information that you need to know. So as a trader, you must stick to your trading plan. Okay, so stick to your trading plan. Don't just trade a trading plan that sticks to your strategy. Okay, so you must develop a trading plan that actually follows your strategy. Okay, so you must stick to your trading plan. Right, so have a good trading plan will help you plan your trades. Okay, so like your strategy planning, having a good strategy. Okay, so developing a trading plan that sticks to your strategy, risk tolerance, and entry and exit points. Okay, and stick to your trading plan. Guys, you must look for a trading plan that actually works for you, that follows your strategy and your risk tolerance, and also your entry and exit point. Now, when we are using your trading plan or when trying to carry out your trading plan, make sure you follow it strictly. So no matter how tough the market is, okay, so some people don't have a trading plan. They tend to trade everything they see in the market. But when you have a good trading plan, you scan the market and see if it actually works with your strategy, or if the trading plan actually follows what you have already planned in the market, or it follows your analysis, your strategy, then you can trade it. But if not, avoid it. Just follow that trading plan, no matter how. Even if maybe you are seeing some because there are some opportunities you see in the market, they are not real. Okay, so they are just there to deceive traders, and you see a lot of traders trading those opportunities, which will help them losing. Follow your trading plan and stick to it, no matter how tough that market is. Just stick to the trading plan and you are good to go. Okay, so the next one is okay, so have a trading journal. As a trader, you must need to have a trading journal. Why is it important to need to have a trading journal? Because this will help you track your trades, your performance, and also areas of improvement. Okay, this will help you track all your trade performance. How far have you been on your trade? So when you develop this trading plan, it's going to help you a lot. Okay, so to help track your performance, maybe you can go through and see, okay, this area I actually need to work on myself, or maybe I can see improvement on this particular area of my trading. So this actually helps you keep track of your performance so far on your trading journey. And we have the number 6. Okay, so the number 6 is patience and discipline. Okay, now a lot of traders lack this very ingredient, which is patience. Okay, patience and discipline. As a trader, you build patience. Okay, you must make sure that you develop patience as a virtue. If you don't have patience, you end up messing and jeopardizing everything for yourself. So patience is very important, and this is why you need patience and discipline. Avoid impulsive and emotional trading. Allow it play out according to your plan. Don't over trade. Do you hear that, guys? Let me read that side again. So it said avoid impulsive and emotional trades. Okay, allow it play out according to your plan. Let the trade play out according to your plan. Don't try to want to follow maybe because of your emotion. Okay, you are looking for trades because maybe you have so many things, you are trying to settle some bills and other things. Again, I've told traders, anytime you try to trade or place a trade based on your emotion, it does not really go well. It does not usually occur well, because you are taking trade out of your emotion, because at that time your psychology is not stable, and maybe what you are thinking at that moment is not stable, so anything can happen to you. That's why I do advise traders that it's not advisable you take trades or trade when you are under depression, or maybe your psychology or your emotion is not stable. Okay, so make sure you are disciplined. Allow it play out according to your plan. Have a good trading plan, which we said. So allow the trade to play out according to your plan. If it doesn't play out according to your plan, then allow the market to go. Another good opportunity will come. The market will always keep presenting opportunities for us to trade. Now the number 7, which I'm going to be listing out, is leverage wisely. Okay, so as a trader, you must understand, say leverage can amplify profit and at the same time amplify losses. Okay, now leverage is very good, in as much as it helps you, it gives you massive huge profit. The same time, it can also give you huge massive losses. That is why as a trader, never risk more than what you can't. Never risk more than what you can. Okay, never risk more than what you can't. Never lose more than what you can't afford to lose. All right. So because many traders, they risk more than what they can't afford to lose. So if you are trading, you must understand that you must have percentage of money. You know that this is what you want to lose. If the market does not play out well, this is what you are losing, or this is what you are. If it's $5, $10, this is actually what I'm losing. Okay, I would not want to risk or lose more than what I do not plan for. Okay, that is why it's very good. You must know how to leverage wisely. Don't leverage too much or the whole of your account. Okay, don't leverage the whole of your account, because you are trying to this market, I want to make sure I hit this market very well for massive profit. In as much as it amplifies profit, it also will amplify losses. You must take note of that. So leverage wisely. The next one is reinvest profit and grow gradually. Okay, this one is very important. As a trader, you need to reinvest your profit. So as you are making profit, you can also reinvest that profit that you are making. So you can reinvest them to fuel for further growth. Okay, just like you are trying to grow, remember that the aim is to grow your account. So as you are making profit, you can also reinvest that profit again. The more you do that, you are trying to keep that account growing. Don't remove profit. Okay, instead of taking out the profit from your account, reinvest that profit. Okay, so when you reinvest that profit, then you can what, you are building that account. All right, so and as you are growing that account, you must understand that your account is getting larger and bigger. Then you can now begin to what, gradually increase the size of your position. All right, so like for instance now, you have a smaller account, maybe the account now you tried and you build it to about $1,000. Okay, now you can now begin to increase the lot size. Maybe you are using 0.01, okay, which is the lowest lot size you are using it, and maybe your account got to $1,000. You can just increase the lot size gradually a bit, not too much. Don't try to, because this account now, you know, some traders will say, yeah, this account has got it to $1,000, let me increase the lot size very very well. No, increase it a bit. Maybe you can put 0.02 the, or just like that. So you will just gradually increase the loss. The account begin to grow faster and bigger, then you increase your position gradually. Okay, so this is very very important. Now the next one is stay informed. Okay, as a trader you need to be informed, especially those of you that trade. Maybe you trade the fundamental, you trade news, or you are into the currencies. Okay, you must stay informed. What do I mean by that? You must be aware of news. Okay, some news and some other economic events that will actually want to happen at that particular time. You will want to be on a trade. You will not want to be on that trade, because remember, if the news or whatever event does not go according to your trading analysis, it can swallow your profits, and it can also kill that your account. Maybe account you are trying to grow will what, come back to zero. That is why it's very important. Keep what, be informed. Make sure you are always getting information. That is what I do. Most times I don't trade the fundamentals, so even if I'm on a trade, I'm always careful. I'm always listening to news, so that I will not be on that market for too long. So if there's a news coming, I will just close my profit and I will leave the market. Okay, so you need to be informed. Be informed. Make sure you are informed, so that you don't lose your profit. Okay guys, hope you find this video very helpful, and I hope that this video actually grow your small account. If you follow this principle which I share to you guys, trust me, you will come back and thank me for this very information I share to you guys. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share this video, and also drop your comments on the comment section. I'll be there to answer you guys if you have any issues pertaining to what I said, or maybe you are not clear in one aspect of or the other, maybe along the line when I was teaching or saying something. Please drop that on the comment section. I'll be there. When I see your reply, or I see your message, I'll be there to reply you guys. So thank you so much guys, and bye for now.